14th sum. If the binomial coefficients of three consecutive terms in the expansion of a plus x whole power n are in the ratio 1:7:42 and find n. Here it is given three consecutive terms in the expansion a plus x whole power n. The three consecutive terms we can take as r plus 1 and r plus 2. The general term of this binomial expansion is tr plus 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r into a power r. Here the three terms are given. The three consecutive terms are in the ratio. So we can say ncr minus 1 is to ncr is to ncr plus 1 equal to 1:7:42. Here I want to take the first two things there. That means NCR is to NCR minus 1 is to NCR. Okay. So likewise here also I want to take these two. So NCR minus 1 divided by NCR equal to 1/7. That NCR minus 1 can be written as in the formula n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So n is n factorial here, and instead of r we have to take r minus 1. So this r minus 1 factorial into n minus of r minus 1. So it will become minus r plus 1 factorial divided by, in the denominator we have NCR. So for this NCR, that formula is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So the denominator we have some terms now. We can take the reciprocal as like this. So r factorial into n minus r factorial divided by n factorial is there. So you can cancel n factorial and n factorial. The remaining terms, this r factorial can be written as r into r minus 1 factorial into the same n factorial, n minus r factorial, and then at the denominator we have r minus 1 factorial as it is, and this n minus r plus 1 factorial can be written in the form of n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. Okay, which is equal to 1/7. We can cancel some, what are the terms cancel? The remaining things are r by n minus r plus 1 equal to 1/7. Then cross multiplying these two, we get 7r equal to n minus r plus 1, and then we want to group the terms like this. So 7r plus r equal to n plus 1. So 7r plus r is 8r. So 8r equal to n plus 1. So take everything to the left hand side. It will be as n minus 8r plus 1 equal to 0. Now we want to take the next part of that, the second and third part, that is NCR divided by NCR minus 1 now. Okay. So take this NCR formula is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial whole divided by, instead of this NCR plus 1 we have to take the same formula. So n factorial divided by r plus 1 factorial into n minus of r plus 1, that is nothing but minus r minus 1 equal to 7/42. Then we can cancel this n factorial and n factorial, or else we can take to the reciprocal, put into and reciprocal, and then we can cancel n factorials there. That remaining terms we have, what we have is r plus 1 factorial into n minus r minus 1 factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial equal to 7/42. Here I want to write this r factorial, r plus 1 factorial as r plus 1 into r factorial, and then keep the other things as it is, Likewise here this n minus r factorial can be written as n minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial here. So what are the things we can cancel this? The remaining terms are r plus 1 divided by n minus r equal to 7 by 42. We can cancel this so that we have 1 by 6. And then we want to cross multiply these two here. So 6 into r plus 1, that is 6r plus 6 equal to 1 into n minus r. So I have this n minus r minus 6r minus 6 equal to 0. So take this as a simplification. N minus 7r minus 6 equal to 0. Now we got two equations, isn't it? So I want to subtract 2 from 1 from 2, so that I have n minus of 8r plus 1 minus of n minus 7r minus 6 equal to 0. So from this equation I got the value of r equal to 7. But I want to find n also. So put it into any equation we can put there, so that we will get. Now I put this into second equation. So I have n minus 8 into 7 plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore n minus 56 plus 1 equal to 0. That is n minus 55, which is n equal to 55 here. 15th sum. In the binomial coefficient of 1 plus x the whole power n, the coefficients of 5th, 6th and 7th terms in AP, find the values of n. So here also the three terms are in AP. We want to find the value of n here. So as usual we want to take this general term TR plus 1 equal to NCR 1 power n minus r into x power r. Okay. So because it's given the expansion of 1 plus x the whole power n only. So according to this, the general term is TR plus 1 equal to NCR into 1 power n minus r into x power r. Here the coefficient of 5th, 6th and 7th in AP. So the coefficient is nothing but T5, T6 and T7, isn't it? So T5 is nothing but 4 plus 1, that is TR plus 1. So we can take this as R is 4, 5, 6. This 4, 5, 6 we got from the terms. This is T5th term and this is T6th term and this is T7th term. So from this 5, that R value is 4. From 6, R value is 5. From 7, R value is 6 here. Okay. Here NC4, NC5 and NC6 are the coefficients. That R is 4, 5, 6. So the coefficients are NC4, NC5 and NC6 here. Here it's clearly given the terms are in AP. So we can take this, if A, B, C are in AP, we can write 2B equal to A plus C, isn't it? By using this, here I want to write 2 NC5 equal to NC4 plus NC6 here. And then I want to keep 2 in the left hand side there. So take that NC5, divide by NC5 on both the sides, sir. So that I got 2 equal to NC4 by NC5 plus NC6 by NC5 here. That value of NC4 is 5. How I got 5 there? We had the formula NCR by NCR minus 1, NCR by NC n minus r equal to n minus r plus 1 divided by r. Here it's given in reciprocally. So we want to this answer also we want to reciprocal here. Take reciprocal here. So that R value is here 5. So 5 by n minus R. Likewise, for the next term also, here we have NC6 by NC5. Here we have correctly. So that NC6 is nothing but NC6 by NC5 is n minus 5 divided by 6 here. And then we want to simplify this thing there. Take LCM on the right hand side. Therefore, we will get this cross multiplication of this 30 plus n minus 4 into n minus 5 divided by 6 into n minus 4 here at the denominator. And then cross multiply. So, if you cross multiply 12 into 2 into 6 into n minus 4 on the left hand side. On the right hand side we have 30 plus multiply the brackets also here, n square minus 4n minus 5n plus 20 here. And then take all the simplifications here and take everything to the left hand side of this. So that I got that quadratic equation like n square minus 21n plus 98 equal to 0. So if you take the factors for this, n minus 14 into n minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, n equal to 7 or 14. 16th sum. Prove that C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square plus etc. equal to 2n factorial divided by n factorial the whole square. 1 plus x the whole power n equal to nc0 1 power n plus nc1, here this is 1 here, nc1 1 power n minus 1 into x plus nc2 1 power n minus 2 into x square plus etc. plus ncn x power n here. Here we want to take this nc0 as c0, c0 and nc1 into 1 power n minus 1 is nothing but 1 only. So, we can take this as c1x and here this is c2 x square plus etc. That last term is cn x power n here. This is for 1 plus x the whole power n, the expansion of 1 plus x the whole power n. Now, I want to take the expansion of x plus 1 whole power n here. So, we can take this as c0 x power n, c1 x power n minus 1, c2 x power n minus 2 etc. plus cn. Now, I want to multiply both the equations there, multiply 1 and 2. So, in the left hand side we will get 1 plus x the whole power n into x plus 1 the whole power n, which is nothing but 1 plus, both are 1 plus x only. So, we can take this as 1 plus x whole power 2n. On the right hand side, the two brackets we have the answer for the two equations. Okay. So, here the general term of this 1 plus x whole power 2n is tr plus 1 equal to, instead of n we have 2n. So, 2n cr into 1 power 2n minus r into x power r now. By taking r equal to n, we can have 2n cn x power n here. So, in that coefficient of x power n, this is in the left hand side. The coefficient of x power n in the right hand side is that c0 square plus c1 square plus c2 square plus etc. cn square. The right hand side is this one equal to 2n cn. Already we got in the left hand side there. The 2n cn can be written as 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. That is in the formula NCR. NCR equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. And then if we subtract this, we can get at the denominator as n factorial. So, that answer is 2n factorial divided by n factorial into n factorial. Therefore, That final answer is 2n factorial divided by n factorial the whole square.